Hello, and welcome to your kitchen. Today, we're making a batch of delicious cherry and almond cookies. They're a perfect treat for any occasion, and the smell alone is worth the effort. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup, 2 sticks or 226 g of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cup, 150 g of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups, 240 g of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup, 60 g of ground almonds, almond flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup, about 150 g of chopped dried or glaced cherries. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. This will help prevent sticking and make cleanup a breeze. In a large bowl, or the bowl of a stand mixer, combine the softened butter and the granulated sugar. Beat them together on medium speed until the mixture is light and fluffy. This should take about 2-3 minutes. Next, beat in your egg along with the almond and vanilla extracts. Mix until everything is just combined. You don't want to overmix it. Now, in a separate medium-sized bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, ground almonds, baking soda, and salt. Make sure it's all well distributed. Gradually add the dry ingredients to your wet mixture. Beat on low speed until a soft dough forms. It's okay if a little bit of flour is still visible. Finally, using a wooden spoon or a spatula, gently fold in your chopped cherries. Be careful not to mash them. You want them evenly spread throughout the dough. Now for the fun part, shaping the cookies. Use a tablespoon or a cookie scoop to drop rounded mounds of dough onto your prepared baking sheets, about 2 inches apart. Place the baking sheets in the preheated oven. Bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until the edges are a light golden brown. The centers may still look a little soft. That's a good thing. It means you'll have a soft, chewy cookie. Carefully remove the baking sheets from the oven. Let the cookies cool on the sheets for about 5 minutes. They'll be very delicate right now, so this short cooling period is crucial. After a few minutes, use a spatula to transfer the cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it. Perfect, fragrant cherry and almond cookies. Enjoy them with a cup of tea or a cold glass of milk. You've earned it.